Gujarat government, Gujarat Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation came forward to organize a buyer-sellers meet at Ahmedabad on 27th, 28th of Feb and March 1st. It is where nearly more than 150 to 200 handloom manufacturers and handicrafts people are going to sit in, put an exhibition in one umbrella where direct manufacturers are going to display their products in the show, which is really a good opportunity for textile dealers of Telangana and Telangana state, where without being any middleman, the products can they see in large number with various designs and various combination, various prices without middleman income, which will be really good for a good opportunity for the traders, where they can increase their business by selling those products in competitive way without middlemen, and for which this FICCI national body, under the FICCI national body, they played a bridge role to conduct these 4 shows at Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay and Hyderabad, and I am really happy for FICCI has identified Hyderabad as one of the player of South, for which Telangana State, on behalf of Telangana State Federation President and on my personal behalf, I thank them for giving this opportunity to the textile traders of Telangana State. And not only this, now our Chief Minister Sri Chandrasekhar Rao Garu is going on a very big way for textile park on Warangal, where he stayed for 4 days in Warangal he took his personal interest to see everything on his first come first basis, which is really good move for the Telangana state and is a positive move without much add-ons from the department sources or policies. And moreover that he is bringing a very good industrial policy, which within 20 days with plug and play system, and he is inviting directly to this thing. And definitely for the textile parts, we want to meet our Honorable Chief Minister in this content, and we want to give on representation on the behalf of traders. This is a very good move, and if things go properly, to my knowledge, it will be one of the biggest market in India with the Telangana, because the advantage is Telangana state has blessed with highest land bank, one, and Telangana state government is Telangana state is one of the highest producer of cotton, where it's a basic raw material for textiles. And not only that, the labor and land is also very cheap compared to other states. So only thing we have to tap a big manufacturers and give the facilities to those manufacturers like Raymond's, Arvind, industrial big houses, so that once the big houses take place, then our industrial park will be totally composite way, and it will be one of the biggest, definitely, because already markets have settled. There they are having the infrastructure when they have started. But here, being a new state with new culture, so with latest technology and with latest latest technology with latest designs, manufacturing facilities, related facilities, instruments can put it in this state. So in this regard, what I personally feel, it will be one of the biggest market in India if our state government gives encourage the national level textile manufacturing industries. Thank you.